Good afternoon, everybody. It is class number 5, November 10th for 6C, Tabata campus for KIT, Wednesday, 5th period. It's been a couple of weeks since we had a class, so let's take a look at our Moodle. As always, we have our login and our class content and description. But basically, it's the same. It's not too different from weeks before, but you have a couple of new assignments. First, make sure that you take a look at these task answers. You're going to be needing them when you have your midterm exam coming up. I believe that will be in December 6th. December 6th. You'll be having your midterm exam. So make sure that you download these, take a look at them, make sure you got the answers correctly. If you still need these readings in Japanese, they're always available. You have a quiz now. Reading quiz, creativity, which is, well, that's wrong. Hang on. It says here that it's October 30th, and it's not. It is next week, November 17th. So I'm going to have to edit this. Hang on. Should be November 17th. November 17th, 2021 at 11 p.m. is the deadline for you to be able to do this quiz. So open up the quiz and do your best with it. Otherwise, I'm going to save this now. And it'll return us to November 10th. Sorry about that. Yeah, the deadline is November 17th at 11 p.m. You have your homework that's usually due on the week. And now you have your walking video. This will be due November 24th. And we haven't talked about this a lot, but I want to make sure that you guys understand. The topic is fashion. So all of you will be talking about fashion. That was also part of what you studied in your textbook. So take a look inside your textbook. We're going to be talking about fashion. If you need to get general information again on what a walking video is, come here to the general class information, okay? And you'll find what I'm talking about in terms of walking videos. You'll find a sample walking video. You'll find how I grade these walking videos. You can take a look at it here and you can see what I want from a really good walking video and what the problems are in a bad walking video for these 5 categories: flow, fluency, general quality, preparation, style. All of these things you should be keeping in mind as you do your walking videos. Now, that's all in general class information. So when you come back to November 10th, remember that you have to make the walking video. It should be about 2 or 3 minutes long. All of these rules you should be following, making sure that your gestures are good and you're holding the camera right. And when you're done with it, you submit it here in the Moodle, okay? So those are our activities for November 10th. And if you have any questions, you can always email me or you can ask me in class here. Otherwise, those are the things that you have to do. So please make sure that you get them done. Thanks very much.